Hey, what's up, everyone on YouTube? Today we're doing episode 3. I'm gonna show you my collection of Zippo lighters. I actually got a brand new one today from Marlboro Points program, and you don't even have to smoke cigarettes to be able to get the free stuff from Marlboro. All you have to do is just tear off the little thing. If you find like an empty pack of cigarettes, that's what I do. I just find the empty cigarette packs everywhere, and all you have to do is you just tear off that little code from the inside of it, and then you go and enter those in this site, and then after you get a certain amount of points or whatever, you can, get free stuff or whatever. So I got this brand new Zippo right here. It's a antique copper. It's pretty cool. But yeah, it's brand new. Kind of cool. But yeah, completely free. You don't have to, like I said, all you have to do is just find the empty packs, and then you just tear off the points from the inside. Here's another one. It's like brass colored. It's like a lighter color than the copper. So I'd say that's like brass colored. This one's actually older. I think this one is from like, I want to say like the 60s or the 70s. Maybe older. I'm not sure. I know it's older though. You can see it's got like a design on it, and it has somebody's initials. And then this is how you could kind of tell it's older. It's got this, I don't know if you can see that, but it has a cursive lettering, which is one of the older stamps. And on the other side, it has like these stripes. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of cool though. Here's another miniature one. I'm not even sure if they make these. I think they do still make these real small ones. I'm not 100% positive. This one says Eddie or Edie. I think it's Eddie. It's kind of cool. It's got these, this one actually has these deeper lines in it. The other one are kind of thinner. This one's like way deeper. You can actually feel the lines in it. This one says Terry, and it's got a date on it. It says 9/20/73, so it's probably from around then. I think I looked this one up before, and it was dated in the 70s. This one's got the cursive labeling on the bottom too, so I believe that makes it older. I think this one's actually newer, so they must make newer small ones. This one says, I don't know if you can see it, it says Miss Butterworth. So a lot of these are just picked up from garage sales and stuff like that, aside from that one that I got brand new from Marlboro for free. I don't ever buy them brand new. I just get them at garage sales and flea markets and stuff for like $1 or $2. So I don't know. This is like similar to that other one, except for it doesn't have no initials on it, but it's striped. do have a lot of these miniature ones. This one's just completely plain, really. I don't see nothing on it. I think this is one of the the very new ones that's like real cheap. You can get them at like Walmart for like, I don't know, $10 or something. I think this is like the cheapest Zippo they make. Most ordinary plain Jane Zippo. I believe this one is a little bit older because of the labeling on it. It's I don't know. It's a lot different than the newer ones. If you look at that newer one right there, and then you compare it to this one, it's a lot different. But this is pretty plain too. It's just shinier than the other one. This one is kind of like a can't remember what they call that. Matte, I guess. Matte finish, maybe. I used to actually have a Zippo with my initials on it that my friend gave me, but I'm not sure where that is. This one's pretty cool. It's like that, I don't know, radioactive symbol or something. And it's got some zombie blood on it. It's kind of cool. And I believe the bottom is copper. It's pretty cool though. And I have a few other older ones too. This one is for like Cummins, I guess, engine service, sales and service Inc. Pretty sure this one is older though. Not sure exactly how old, but it is older. Like pre-80s probably, if not older. This is another old one too. They used to make these a lot more back then. This says CB operator, got your ears on, good buddy. And see, they made this different too. On the back, like the hinges are different. See, this is a way better example. See how it only has like the one on it? See, this one has two. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. This is a really unique one. I've never seen one like this before. It says American Embassy, Paris. I don't know where it came. I mean, I got it at a garage sale or a flea market, but I don't know what the significance of this is. Like, was it, I guess it was from the American Embassy in Paris, or was it owned by somebody who worked there? I really have no idea. I just thought it was really cool. Got a lot.